Welcome back. In this topic, we are going to see how to open Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. Menu is Scss. The account opening menu is Cscaop and the verification menu is Cscaopv. Now let us see who can open Scss. Any individual who has attained the age of 60 years can open Scss. Any person who has attained the age of 55 years or more but less than 60 years and retired on superannuation are also eligible to open Scss. Similarly, retired persons of defense who has attained the age of 50 years of age are also eligible to open Scss. The minimum deposit in the scheme is 1000 rupees and the maximum deposit is 15 lakhs. The deposit can be accepted in multiples of 1000. There are two conditions applicable for category 2 and 3, that is for retired persons. The retired persons are eligible to deposit the actual retirement benefits or 15 lakhs, whichever is less. The second condition is they should deposit the retirement benefits in Senior Citizen Savings Scheme within 1 month from the date of receipt of the benefit. The interest for Scss account is payable once in 3 months on January 1st, April 1st, July 1st and October 1st. Log on to Finacle as operator and use the Scss account opening menu Cscaop and click Go. Click OK. Choose Open from the function. Enter the CIF ID and select this search icon. There are three options available. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. This means the customer is above 60 years. If you are choosing SR/SCS, this is category 2 customer, the person retired on superannuation. The third category SR/DEF, this is Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, retired from defense. Here the customer is of age above 60 years, so I am setting it as SR/SCM. SR/SCM and click Go. The name and address is appearing from the CIF ID of the customer. Enter the amount of deposit. Here the customer is depositing 50,000. Enter the customer's SB account in this interest credit account field. The interest is paid once in 3 months and this will be credited into the POSB account of the customer. Here we should use the same CIF used for SB and account opening. Enter the tax form as form 15H. 15H is for persons above 60 years and for persons below 60 years it is 15G. Here the customer is submitting form 15H for tax exemption. So enter form 15H and choose no tax. By entering form 15H and setting the tax category as no tax, TDS will not be deducted from this account. Enter the mode of operation. Click on this lens and choose 012. This is a single account, so I am entering the mode of operation as 012. Choose transaction. Choose transaction. Mark a tick in this box, and there are two options available. One is cash and another is transfer. In case of Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, only 1 lakh can be accepted as cash for opening of Scss. If the customer is requesting for transfer from his SB account, then click transfer and enter the SB account of the customer in debit account field. If the customer is presenting any bank check, then send the check for clearing, and once the check is cleared, then choose transfer and enter the SOL ID followed by 0382, which is a check clearing office account in this field. Here the customer is presenting POSB check. So I am setting the radio button as cash, enter the account number and enter the check details in these fields. Instrument type as check, choose the instrument type as check, enter the check number, this is the POSB check number, enter the prefix and suffix, enter the date of the check, then choose the account details as yes, enter the number of documents received as 1 and enter the document code as 016, which is nothing but account opening form. We are collecting one document for this account opening and that one document is nothing but account opening form. Enter 016 and then choose document submitted. Scroll down. Enter the name of the nominee in this field. Also enter the relationship of the nominee. And first select the relationship. You can use this radio button. 005 is nothing but son. Okay, if you know the code, you can very well type. If you don't know the code, you can use this search button to get the relationship listed. Enter the name of the nominee, enter the address of the nominee, enter the PIN code, the city and state will automatically populate, enter the country code as IN, enter the nominee percentage as 100 and choose the nature of entitlement as owner. Owner means the nominee is the sole beneficiary of this account in case of death of the depositor. If you are choosing trustee, the nominee can withdraw the amount on death of the depositor and should hand over the amount to the legal heir of the depositor. He is not the beneficiary. Here I am choosing it as owner because he is the son. Click submit. Click OK. See, the flow is appearing. 50,000 is accepted as deposit and on 1/1/2023 612 rupees will be paid as interest. IO means interest outflow. 3 months is not completed, so the amount is 612. Thereafter, once in 3 months, the customer will be getting 950 as interest. IO means interest outflow. Click submit. The account is opened successfully. Note down the account number on KYC and account opening form and note down this transaction ID on pay-in slip. Pay-in slip as well as in this case on the POSB check as well. Now log on as supervisor and enter Cscaopv and click go. We are now going to verify this application. Click OK. Choose verify from the function, enter the account number and click go. Now the supervisor verifies each and every field such as name, amount, tax form type, mode of opening, nominee details, etc. Once he is satisfied, he will click submit as a token of verification. So the account is verified successfully and the transaction ID is also verified successfully. So this is how we open Senior Citizen Savings Scheme in Finacle. Thank you.